Have you ever taken a shot at night, increased the brightness, and suddenly your footage looks grainy and noisy? Oh dear, that is ISO. In photography and filmmaking, exposure depends on three things: shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. Today, we are focusing on ISO. This is the most misunderstood yet powerful tool in your camera. Overall, ISO controls how sensitive your camera sensor is to light. Low ISO means less sensitivity, that means darker image. High ISO means more sensitivity, that means brighter image. So let's see this practically. Observe how the brightness increases, but so does the noise. Noise is that grainy texture you see, especially in low light shots. And higher ISO values introduce more noise into your image. So yes, ISO can save your shot in the dark, but it comes definitely at a cost.
Use low ISO, 100 to 200 when you're shooting in bright daylight. You want clean, sharp images.
Use high ISO, 800 or above when you're shooting in low light. You can't adjust shutter or aperture.
Modern mirrorless cameras handle ISO better than ever. Cameras like Sony Alpha, Canon R series or Fujifilm X series offer cleaner high ISO performance. But even then, the rule remains the same. Exposure with light first, adjust ISO later. As a filmmaker or cinematographer, don't rely on ISO to fix lighting. Instead, control your environment, use practical lights, reflectors or natural light. ISO should be your last option, not your first. ISO means sensor sensitivity. Low ISO means clean image, and high ISO means brighter but noisy image. So mastering ISO is not about memorizing numbers, it's all about understanding light.